And the last thing I'll say on this is it was quite tricky at the end of this placement to sort of extract myself. So I had to go from being really immersed in this team and working for them and feeling very, very connected and embedded in the team. You know, I had their T-shirt, I had their badge, I had a little laptop sticker. I felt very much like one of the team. So then to come away from that back to the university setting and treat all that information and all that data as just pseudonym and data that I was supposed to be a bit detached from was really tricky. And this is where we sort of come into issues of sort of situated knowledge and positionality and understanding sort of your embeddedness as a person in the research.
So soon after I had joined the project, I realized that our partnership was quite complicated. And why was that? Well, on the one hand, we were co-creating a joint tool, so each organization took on responsibilities, provided knowledge, practical know-how, staff hours. But on the other hand, in many respects, it was just a client-provider relationship with funding that was going in one direction from the government organization and the nonprofit toward the university. So in retrospect, the fact that our lab was positioned both as a co-creator and as a provider really complicated our relationship.
I think another issue of this kind of collaborative research is that the timings of completing a PhD and the timings of a campaign work very, very differently. Campaigns will be changing like this, like every second they will be thinking of a new idea or going to a different path, whereas a PhD is a bit more of like a marathon than a sprint. So the timings just don't really match up. So it's how maybe we can try to get these outputs to them that are going to be useful, that will fit within their timeframes. So yeah, there's some of the reflections that I've kind of had throughout my PhD journey.